Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wise to send money internationally. First of all, what you have to do is open Wise application on your phone, and then in the home page you will see Send Money button. Click on Send Money. It will open a new page. Now it will ask you how much amount do you want to send. Simply enter the amount, and then you also have to select the currency in which you want your recipient to get money. For instance, if you want your recipient to receive money in United Arab Emirates dirham, so if you have to select that, you will see how much money you are sending and how much money will the recipient get. And then you have paying options. You can either pay with your debit card, your bank account, which is connected to your Wise account. You can also do wire transfer, international transfer, and you can also send it from your credit card as well. Select the appropriate option, and then you will see total fees, which is included in USD amount. So this is the fees that will be deducted from your account. Now what you have to do is simply add a recipient. If the recipient is already added, what you have to do is simply click on Send button. You have to tell the reason for your transfer. Click on Continue. And then it will ask you for the confirmation. Simply once you have confirmed all of the information is correct, simply click on Confirm and Send, and your amount will be sent to your recipient internationally. And that's simply how you can use Wise to send money internationally. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.